Baby Karen, aka MsGlamDoll. And if you see me sitting here, you know that I'm going to tell you some very informative information because this is my informative chair. So today's look, I kind of thought that this shirt was kind of busy to be on camera, but I really love this shirt. And I got this from H&M. I love anything with like frilly ruffles, you know, because I'm a Prince lady. Like, I love Prince. I'm showing my age. I love Prince, so Prince got me loving ruffles and frilly necky things. But I love the shirt. The shirt is from H&M, of course. I got it on sale for $12.99. I have on jeans. They are from Banana Republic, and I got them on sale. They were $10. And my makeup today is, I tried. As you know, if you don't know, guys, I am trying out new foundation because me starting this YouTube channel, I have to do different makeup looks to kind of look good on camera. So if you started with me in the beginning and you watched my videos in the beginning, I only wore like concealer, maybe a lip, and eyeliner. But now I'm like full face makeup because I watch tutorials, makeup tutorials, and I am learning every day how to do makeup. So I think I'm getting better. What you think? But I believe I'm getting better. So today is going to be a video on how to look expensive or polished when you're on a budget. Now, you guys know Karen loves a budget, and I don't think you need to have a lot of money in order to look fabulous. It doesn't cost a lot of money. All you have to have is style, imagination. I always say, and $20, like $20 will get you off. Like, it's been days when I've been told, and I think that's why I'm so good at budgeting, because single mom, 2 children, I owned a business, I had bills, but I still like to look fabulous. So completely want to save money, but I wanted to look good too. So I think that's how I began to become so good at budgeting and bargain finding. I just refuse to pay full price. Some things I will pay full price if I have to, but most of the times Karen will not do that. So today's video is going to be how to look polished on a budget. Now, I do have my notes in front of me, so if you see me looking down, you know that I am looking at my notes. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and you'll be notified every time Karen puts out a video. And I just want to say thank you guys for your support, all of my clients, all of my friends, all of my family. Thank you guys for supporting me in this YouTube journey. And if you don't, please go follow me over at MsGlamDoll. Well, I have a lot of good looks. I do reels, and you can follow me on TikTok, which is Mrs. GlamDoll, because Miss GlamDoll was taken. But all my handles are Miss GlamDoll except TikTok because somebody stole it. Even on Twitter, I am Miss GlamDoll. So guys, let's get to how to look polished or look more expensive on a budget. So first of all, we must talk about our personal care. I am a hairstylist, and I do believe that you should go to the hairdresser and get your hair did, because that's why I make my money. Because some things, guys, you just can't do at home. So, but if you don't have the money, because I understand, and even if you call me and you ask me how to do your hair at home, I will tell you. I am that kind of stylist. Like, I'm not about the money. So I will lead you. I will direct you. I will give you a how-to and how to maintain, take care of your hair, and even do a style. You have to keep your hair up. these bonnets and scarves. Not saying anything is wrong with it, but it's just not fashionable to me. Like, I just love a well-groomed woman. I want you to keep your hair done, even if you have to do it at home yourself. And I'm here for you guys. If you can't afford to get your hair done, call me. I'm Natural Salon. You know my name is Karen. The number is very public. Go on my website, call me and say, hey Karen, I saw your YouTube and you said that I can call you and that you would help me maintain my hair and tell me what to do. And guess what? I will help you because I love doing things like that for people. Like, I love helping. So you gotta take care of your hair. You gotta take care of your nails. Even if you do your hair at home, even if you do your nails at home, it's okay. It's all right. I do my nails sometime, but I am a cosmetologist. But I do my nails, like today, I'm gonna do my nails at home because I do not feel like sitting at the nail salon. So I bought me a gel kit, and I'm gonna link the description below of all the things I bought from Amazon in my nail kit. So I'm going to give myself a gel manicure and a pedicure today, because it needs to be done. I could have went to the nail salon, but I just don't feel like sitting there. Like, I just don't, it takes my time. I'm already a busy person. So guys, keep your hair done, keep your nails done. It's okay if you have to do it yourself. Just keep your appearance up. Eyebrows, take care of them eyebrows. They have this little thing right here for $1. $1, guys. This is what I use. So I keep 2 in the bathroom. I have a whole bunch of backup in my content / makeup / dressing room, so I'll never run out. So always touching on my eyebrows. And actually, guys, I've never been a person who's been into my eyebrows. I let them go bushy. I don't care. But now, taking this journey on YouTube, I have to look polished. So I just always had bushy eyebrows, and it just never bothered me. But now I see you have to groom them, and I would go get my eyebrows done, but not a lot, because mostly people, I have really thick eyebrows, so they usually mess my eyebrows up. So I'm kind of scared to let anybody do it. So now I'm just doing it myself. I take this little razor that I got for $1. Actually, I got this from Amazon. I got a whole pack from Amazon. So I'm gonna go back in my orders, and I'm gonna link, because I think I paid like $6 or $7 for like a case of them. Not a case, but like, yeah, a case, 12 for like $6. Like, and it lasts me. I'm still pulling some out from last year. I don't even think it's last year. I think it's like 2020. They gave me a lot, so. But I told you, I keep them on. I haven't bought any since back, but sometimes I'm in TJ Maxx or Ross or something. They have little razors, so I'll pick them up. It's just something to have. To keep your eyebrows groomed. And also, girl, I be getting this right in soon, because you know them hairs, you know. I'm a woman of a certain age, and the beard be coming in, chill. And I do have a wax machine at the salon, but I don't use it. So anyway, let's move on. To look polished, a tailored look. A tailored look can take you a long way. A tailored look is nothing like, I shop in the thrift store. You can get clothes from the thrift store, button up, tuck in your clothes, and you look nice, you look neat when you go to work. It's a tailored, clean look, clean line. It'll make you look polished every time. So you think about it, you know, your face, eyebrows done, you did your hair, your nails, and then you have this tailored look, like polished. You look polished without even trying. And it's very simple. You're on a budget. You can get your polished, tailored look from the thrift store. Pay $3, $4. You pay $4 for pants, $3 for the shirt. Bam, you can even get you a $7 pair of shoes and have a polished look. You don't have to spend a lot of money, guys. You don't. I just told you about the gel manicure. That's number 3. Gel manicure. I told you guys, I'm going to link everything down that I bought from Amazon to do my own gel manicure and pedicures. It's very simple. I did go to school to do hair, nails, makeup, skincare. I did go to school for that, but that don't mean I know how to polish, because I don't. But I think I do a pretty good job, you know, just to be doing it myself. And actually my nails when I do it myself actually last longer than at the salon, but just a thought. So if you can't get the gel manicure, you always can polish your own nails. They have longer lasting nail gels. They have polish that lasts longer, and you can get that from anywhere. Your Rite Aid, your CVS. Doesn't cost a lot of money. And sometimes when you do your own little nails, they kind of chip when you do like the regular manicure. But if you have the nail polish, just go touch it up. Just always just look good. Just love yourself. It's about loving yourself and taking care of yourself. It's about self-care and loving yourself. Light makeup. You're not a person that likes makeup. Guess what? Neither am I. But like I said, when I want to do a little light look, to look like something sometimes and just look polished without putting a lot of makeup, I just conceal my face. I will conceal under my eyes, add some eyeliner and a lip. That's it. That's it. And you can go back in my videos and that's all I've done. And I look polished without going through the effort. And sometimes you can just throw on, like you do some mascara, do like a lip gloss. It doesn't have to, it could be clear like what I have on today. It doesn't have to be a color. It can be very subtle. But the whole goal is, guys, to look polished, to look expensive, but you're not spending expensive money. That is the deal. Gotta be smart in that. So, number 4, light makeup. Number 5, wear monogram colors. When you wear, do you ever see ladies, the monogram colors? Oh, they look so rich. Monogram colors, I'm telling y'all. Look back at this video. When I tell y'all, but guess what? Spring is coming up and all those beautiful colors, purples, pinks, oranges, they're all coming. It's about to be spring, so get ready. You can even wear it like now, yellows is in too. But you can wear those colors now. Like it's so like in to wear a color in the wintertime. Because if you look in stores, that's what they have. Zara has yellows and pinks. But spring is coming. So monochrome colors, guys. Makes you look expensive. Number 6, I already said take care of your hair. Number 7, you took, guys, they call me the hat lady. It's so many days, even though my hair is short and I do my own hair, there's so many days when my hair isn't done. I work out 2 to 3 days out of the week. When I tell you my hair reject after a workout, and even though I tie it up, I try to keep it as neat as I want to, and I work in the hair salon all day, I don't have time to do my own hair. I'm too busy making everybody else beautiful. So I don't have time for me. So you know what I do? I incorporate hats. They call me the hat lady. I love hats. Do you know how a hat can elevate your style? I say this all the time. A hat can elevate your style. A good hat, not a baseball cap. A good stylish hat. Fedoras, the newspaper boy hats are so in, you know, I love them. Fedora will change and elevate any look. So guys, incorporate a hat on those bad days, but make sure it's not a baseball cap. It's not a sporty look. You have to make it look expensive. Come on, think. We're making things look expensive. Number 7 was utilize hats. So number 8, sunglasses. I can tell you how good a good sunglass can change your whole look and make you look like you got money. Sunglasses. And it doesn't have to be like, I sell sunglasses in my boutique. They're $7, $8. I think the most I sell a sunglass for is $15. You don't have to spend a lot of money, guys, to look. And I have a lot of dupes. I have a Celine dupes. I have Gucci dupes. So, you know, that speaks volumes. That speaks money, but you're not spending the money. $7, $8, Target, Walmart, anybody. Like, as long as you have the style, fashion, sense, you can make anything look good. Number 9, invest in a good bra, girl. I can't tell you how a good bra can change your life and make them titties sit up. Especially when you like have something open and you got a good bra, and it just make it look polished. Like everything sits up. Like you don't want everything you have on. I don't know, when a tit sags, it just looks gross to me. But when you got them titties sitting there and they just perky, just like everybody happy. The titties happy, you happy, everybody looking at the titties is happy too. So, good bra, guys, good bra. And last but not least, I'll make this really, really quick. Number 10, confidence. You gotta have confidence, guys. All that stuff that I said, all that don't matter if you don't have the confidence. Confidence is the most expensive thing that you wear every day. Your personality. You make yourself look expensive. Your personality brings out a person that, like, hold your head up, the way you walk. You. So I'm going to end that here. I'm going to throw up some looks, of course, to show you guys how to look more expensive, and stay tuned for my next video. Today I am filming about 3 or 4 different videos, so stay tuned. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, let me know and below how I'm doing, how you like it, even things that you would like to see me do. That would be nice. Guys, tell me what you want, what you like, because I don't know. I'm just getting to know you when you're getting to know me. Any questions you want to know about me, you want me to do your hair, let me know. I'm here for you. That's what I'm here for. I'm here because I want to share myself with you. So, talk to you guys later.